Salutation. Salutation means human body parts. Friends, today we are going to learn some human body parts. Here in French we say as shoe. Cheveaux. Shoe. Eyes in French we say as you. Yeux. Yeux. You. Ears in French we say as oreille. Oreille. Oreilles. Oreille. Teeth in French we say as dents. 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 Tongue in French we say as long. Langue. Long. Nose in French we say as nez. Nez. Knee. Cheek in French we say as izu. Izu. Joue. Izu. Forehead in French we say as front. 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 Head in French we say as tête. Tete. Tête. Neck in French we say as cou. 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 Back in French we say as dos. 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 Leg in French we say as jambes. 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 Arms in French we say as bras. 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 Hand in French we say as main. 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 Fingers in French we say as doigts. Doigts. Doigt. Stomach in French we say as estomac. Estomach. Estomac. Face in French we say as visage. 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 Elbow in French we say as coude. 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 Knee in French we say as genou. 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 Lips in French we say as lèvres. 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 Let's revise. Hair, shoe, eyes, ears, oreille, teeth, dome, tongue, lawn, nose, knee, cheek, izu, forehead, phone, head, tête, neck, cou, back, dos, legs, jambes, arms, bras, hand, main, fingers, doigts, stomach, estomac, face, visage, elbow, coude, knee, genou, lips, lèvres. Thank you friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like share my video. Bye bye.